So everything is upside down here at the moment. I mean, look at the state of my desk. The entire office is like this. We've been asked to do a massive Wi-Fi provision on an event that we had no plans on doing it. We'd sort of thought about allowing 50 odd users, and we've been asked for 640. So that's quite a considerable Wi-Fi deployment over a large site. So we've been working on that. This is one of the Type 2 boxes, one of the new versions, and you'll see the white modem is gone. That was once upon a time a BT Home Hub 5A. We choose these because they've got the network ports, they run OpenWRT, and we've got the ability to do VLANs over those ports. That would normally drive that switch, with that doing all the heavy lifting for the VLANs. At the moment it's driving that SG2210. And the idea is we bring in our management VLAN, which allows us to control everything on the network, do our remote monitoring, and that keeps it well away from prying eyes. So also in the box, obviously you've got switch, you've got all your connectors on the end. Someone did bring up a good point about the power connector. We've looked at that, so we're going to change those, probably not for this event. We have our new power distribution boards down here, which does away with the Wago boxes we're using, and the monitoring board there. Mounts for the power supply, so everything is all nice and neat and tidy, and we've got a big amount of space in here because obviously we're using a PoE switch. We don't need injectors here because the new access points actually support PoE properly. I'm just going to black you off because the office is a bomb site, and we'll go over and have a look at the rack. So you can have a look at my fingers. Oh, you can have a look at my fingers for a second. This is really a quick and dirty upload. So there's the rack as it stands now. You can see we are using all the ports on the DSL. We've got multiple VLANs running over the copper DSL channels. We've gone from the switch that was sat on the top at the previous event to a brand new switch in there. Yes, we are mostly a TP-Link shop. Yes, we are mostly a TP-Link shop, but TP-Link have been absolutely awesome to us, and their kit just works. That box is the same. I may well change that, and we've got our Pi over there just monitoring things. So yeah, that's mostly what I've been up to all week, is getting the VLANs to work through. So at each stage we've got a basic bit working. So we've started with going from the DSL to a white modem and single channel. We've then gone up to the same dual VLAN setup that BT used with VLAN 101 and 301. We've worked out how that works, and that's now that became the baseline, and we're going to stick with that as our baseline configuration because it means that kit that's designed to work with BT and the other providers in the UK will just work, which means if we come up unstuck, we can literally just go and buy a VDSL modem, plug it in, and it will be fine. Dog's talking. We've now gone up to our 4 VLAN setup, so we've got our management and our multiple VLANs for the different Wi-Fi zones, and that's about where we are now. Anyway, I will do a proper video when this stuff starts getting installed. Take care.